There's a couple of ways to turn on airplane mode on an Android tablet like this Galaxy Tab I have. The easiest way is to swipe down from the top right corner to open the quick settings, and in here you'll usually see an airplane icon. Tap that to turn on airplane mode. Tap again and airplane mode turns off. If you don't see the button, you can add it. First tap the little pencil icon on the top to edit your controls, and then tap Edit to customize your buttons. If a button isn't already up top included in your quick settings, you'll see the remaining available buttons on the bottom, and you can add those in. Once a button is added and you're still in the edit mode, you can tap, hold, and drag any of your buttons to reorganize the layout. I want this to be one of the first buttons that I see, so I'll just drag it way up here to make it easy to find. Another easy way to toggle on airplane mode is through your tablet's settings. You might have settings on the home screen like I do, but if you don't, swipe up to reveal the app drawer and then locate your settings from there. Or you can type Settings in the search bar on the bottom. Once you're in the settings, choose Connections from the left side, then toggle on airplane mode. Airplane mode disables all wireless connections on your tablet, but if you're on a plane, you can safely toggle on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth after airplane mode has been turned on. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.